Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Council on International Educational Exchange for Study Abroad. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the Council on International Educational Exchange, or CIEE, to understand their programs and offerings. Visit the official CIEE website for comprehensive information on study abroad opportunities. Identify your area of interest, whether it's language immersion, cultural exchange, or academic study. Review the specific programs and destinations available through CIEE. Take note of the application requirements for the programs that catch your attention. Prepare your personal documents, including your academic transcripts, a resume, and letters of recommendation. Complete any necessary language proficiency tests, if required for your chosen program. Fill out the online application form provided by CIEE with accurate and complete information. Submit all required documents along with your application by the specified deadline. Pay close attention to application fees and ensure they are paid on time. Once your application is submitted, monitor your email for updates or requests for additional information. After acceptance, carefully read through the offer letter and any accompanying materials. Confirm your participation by following the instructions provided in the acceptance letter. Attend any pre-departure orientations hosted by CIEE to prepare for your study abroad experience. Complete visa applications and related paperwork as instructed by CIEE and the destination country. Arrange for housing and travel in coordination with CIEE's recommendations. Stay connected with fellow participants and CIEE advisors throughout the process for support and guidance. Prepare for your departure by familiarizing yourself with the culture and language of the country you'll be visiting. Finally, embark on your study abroad journey, immersing yourself in new experiences and opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.